Hi guys, I know I look like an absolute mess and this is not of me. Anyways, I'm literally excited to tell you guys that this is gonna be my first travel vlog. So your home girl is going to Benin Republic exactly less than 24 hours from now, and this is my first time actually planning something as spontaneous as this. I literally just saw it on Instagram and I was like, you know what, I need to go for this. So I saw the ad on Instagram and why not? Tomorrow is June 12th and Monday is going to be a public holiday. It means I don't need to be at work. So I decided to just take 3 days off out of Nigeria, out of the stress, the hustle and bustle, the traffic here in Lagos.
I want to leave this country. I'm tired.
And go to Benin Republic. Fun fact, Benin Republic is literally 4 hours away from Nigeria, which is really close. And we share borders. Nigeria and Benin Republic share borders. A lot of Nigerian school in Benin, and you know, I look forward to the experience, the journey, meeting new people, tasting new food. Most importantly, I just bought my Imodium and ibuprofen and Flagyl. Your girl is covered, okay? The mode of transportation is by road. If you want to see how my Benin trip went, keep watching and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Okay? Bye. So it is exactly 4:50 and I'm getting ready to go meet them at the takeoff location. The takeoff location is actually at Surulere, which is the mainland, and it's a bit tricky from where I am, quite far, so I have to leave early. Yeah, so I have my bag packed. I'm trying to wear my shoes. This is the first time I'm going with one suitcase, but remember it's just tonight, and I'm looking forward to it, so let's go. They said the takeoff time was 6 o'clock, but this is past 5. This is like 5:30. I'm definitely the only person here, as usual. So guys, we are literally in Badagry right now. Whew. And the road is like a merry-go-round.
Yeah. You said we are going for 5 hours.
You guys, look what I got for 2,000 naira at the Nigerian border. Ooh, I'm a flex on you, bitches. I'm a flex on you, eh? And guys, we are in Benin Republic.
I'm 2.
Ooh. So guys, we're here to change money. Hi guys, we're finally in Benin Republic. So this is our bus and we came to change money. As you can see, I'm a millionaire. Money. Anyways, we're going to the hotel now, so this looks like some Maldives shit, you guys. The water must be blue. Is the water blue? Ha, it's over for all of you. And we are here. Okay. This is the hotel. Oh. Hi. Bonjour. Ooh, okay. Alright, ooh. Hi. So this is where it's. This is me. Ooh. Look at the bathroom. It's small but it's comfy. And it's given. Hi guys, sorry for the delay. So this is the hotel, and right now we're going to the Snake Temple, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what exactly we're going to be doing there. I'm super excited. So I want to go casual just in case I fling. I don't want to fling my dress away, and I don't want my mom to show. So I'm trying my possible best to keep it short and snatched. Okay. So this is the outdoor. This is the outdoor thing. And this is the way to the pool. Look at these mangoes, guys. I go with the mangoes. But this is a mango. It's humongous. But we are currently going to the snake village. Oh, sorry, the snake temple. So I gotta run so they don't leave me. Yeah. Ooh. I'm so excited. Bonsoir. This is the snake temple, you guys, and I'm so excited. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be holding the snake exactly like this. God help me. So fun fact, there's a church right opposite the snake temple. So the people in this village worship pythons, and they believe the pythons are their gods. And they gave some of their land, they gave some of their land to the church from the snake temple. All right, so yeah, yay. Entrance into the snake. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
So this is the Iroko tree. So they have to put this white cloth around it, and then they kill this goat, spill the blood on the white cloth. They add palm oil. You can see palm oil there as a sacrifice. So people come here to pray to the python god. So sometimes when you come here, you see people put their hands on the Iroko, and then they pray to the python god.
Any idea how long it's been here?
It's been here, like, so this place was a forest in the past. So this is like one of the trees that have been here.
Okay.
Dagbe Dre is the female python. Dre is female. Dagbe is python.
Dre. Okay.
This one
I'm trying to pretend like I'm having fun, but I'm actually scared.
So
Bonjour.
they do once every 7 years. This year was the 7th year.
So we're inside the snake temple.
So they get virgins to carry.
Oh,
so
I've
this,
seen these.
you can see the people. It's not going to be
They're bringing out a python.
It's a lot there, but you can see.
Gosh. Let me go back first. I know I said, oh my god. Oh my god. No.
No, this way, behind the sun.
Guys, are you sure I can do this? Don't come near me!
Hey!
I'm sorry. I want to be ready. I'm going to be ready when I'm ready.
So this one, as you can see, is a big python. So
That's just big.
He was trying to strangle you. But he can't strangle you. But it will try to curl itself around you.
Oh, it will try.
It will try, but it... Oh my god.
So
Oh
he
my
brought a
god.
smaller one that you guys have.
Is it strangling you again?
This way, this way.
Nike, turn this way. May they give
Does he have slime on his body? Does he have slime on his body?
No, it's dry.
Yeah? Are you sure?
It's dry. You can touch it.
Don't touch it!
This way.
Hey, drama.
No, wait, you just put it 5 seconds. Sorry, Messi.
It's not scary actually. It's not scary.
I'm serious, it's not.
It's actually not going to do anything to you.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go.
It's nothing.
No, but it's not.
Shark is looking for your trouble. It's so hard to just, even if it's just 2 seconds.
somebody hold my hand?
No, just it's normal. It's just like you hang the cloth on your neck.
Hold the snake.
It's just like you put a shawl on your neck.
Don't be scared at all. See? Amazing. Smile.
Smile now. Don't you want your picture to be fine?
Oh, Kisuk. Is
So leave it.
No. Please take her off. Thank you.
How do I do it? Oh no.
It's not scary actually. It's not scary. I'm serious, it's not. It's actually not going to anything.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let somebody else do it. Let somebody else do it.
No, but it won't hurt you. Just have it at the back of your mind. Have it at the back of your mind that it won't hurt you.
Will somebody hold my hand?
No, just do it. Just do it.
what do you want someone to hold you? Hold the snake.
Just
Hold the snake, man.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared at all. See? Amazing. Smile. You can hold it.
I'm fine.
Okay, so leave it.
No. Take her off. Guys, we're going second round this time. I ain't afraid of no snake.
I've done 3 times already.
Fourth time is when the.
Don't be scared now. It's just
No, you hold the hand that way. The head, okay? Don't allow it look at me.
it's not going to facing down. So you want your picture? Hold on. So go back.
No, that time when those are private people they do.
Wait, you want your picture now? Stay now. If you don't want your picture to be fine.
It looks stiff, man. You're trying to take a shit. Pose well now.
Shadow, please, can you leave that side, Shadow?
Well, the snake like you. I mean, like the hair.
No. Let's remove his hand.
Just look at you now.
Remove your eyes.
You're a bad guy.
Guys, I'm done with adventure. I'm not doing any of this anymore. I already seen the snakes inside the temple. I took off my shoes. Hasta la vie, guys. It's been real. Apparently, they allow the snakes to go out. And this is end of day 1. It's not end, right? It's just the first activity we're having. Coming to the snake temple out here in Ouida. So yeah, I carried a snake on my neck and I didn't panic. I'm such a strong girl. Which is very ironic. I'm not supposed to be scared of snakes because I've had a lot of snake friends, which is called a dambe dre. So bitch ass snake bitches. I just came to see one of your clans, so what's up? I just said hi to them for you. So guys, I'm back in my room right now, and as you can see, I am full to the brim. We went out for lunch and for dinner, my bad, and I'm going to be posting what I had. The food was amazing. We went to this Lebanese restaurant. I have pictures up. We also went to an art gallery, but my phone memory was too full, and I was just like, God, I really wish you guys could see some of the clips, but you could check my Instagram. I'm going to be posting some of that on my Instagram reels. But that's the end of day 1. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on my post notification for more videos. And yeah, you know, the baddest girl to hold a snake. You know, the snakes are my friend now. Peace out. Thank you guys for watching my video.
Bàbá ọ̀ṣọ́ mi, orí rẹ̀ yìí ò lákàwé. Láti ẹ̀kọ́rọ̀ títí dọ́wọ́ ìrìnsẹ̀ ọ̀ṣọ́ mi o.